So, Hunter, I know how much you love PDQ. Guess what I'm gonna go through just for you? A PDQ system. This, like I said, besides my Bellinger equipment that I use, PDQ is a pretty popular system in my neck of the woods. I don't know if you ever seen the tandem PDQ Surfline, but you're gonna be in for a treat. I'm gonna show you the system that you hate the most, that you think is a bit and here is famous pay station you told me that cost $5,000 to reprogram. I'm gonna get the top wash to show you this system. Wrong button. Wrong button. How do I go back? How do I... start over.
This transaction has been canceled.
Yeah. Okay. Start over. These things are slow. Credit card.
Please include your credit card in the reader bill. Please select.
I'm gonna get the top wash to show you.
Please take your receipt. The wash is available.
I know how much you like PDQ. I told you, these are the popular around my neck of the woods. The only touch-free that ain't PDQ is for the one that I work for Gecko. They use a Condor. But PDQ is popular around here. I had to do this to be a smart ass. The gantry in the back. Here's the front gantry. I see what you mean by PDQ likes to make things difficult. How many moving parts does a wash need to have? More moving parts, the more issues it has. Here's the top brush. You'll see that it extends outwards. This is a two gantry design. It's called the Surfline. Now here's the two side brushes. Oh, that one pushed my mirror in, thank you. Now the brushes are switching direction. This is the first PDQ system that's touch that I've ever used. Laserwash 360s are more popular here. So now I'm getting a hot wax application. Tri-foam. I also got wheel scrubbing. Oh, I can feel it shaking my car. Oh, now it's rinsing the tri-foam. Now it's getting the front wheels. Did not like that. The front wheels, it moved my steering wheel. Now it's rinsing all the... There's so many moving parts, I can't keep track of this thing. Now it's applying a Rain-X. Now it's applying spot-free water. Okay, this ain't spot-free. This is a surface protectant, but the light's blinking spot-free. Doesn't make sense. Okay, I think this is... Oh, now we're getting spot-free. I hope. There we go. It's at the back. Now it's coming forward. Next step is drying. Now it's coming back. Now it's giving me more drying time. I have to admit, this is the best drying I've ever seen in an in-bay automatic. And Lala, now you got to see what I like to do as a hobby. I have my YouTube channel, but with everything that's going on, I haven't uploaded that in a while. Anyway, I had to be a smartass and take a video of a PDQ system. Have a good night, buddy.